Hi friends, welcome to my venue. Now, in a semi-tusser fabric, sherikum pure tusser in the feel and this baby pink color weaving thread in the weaving point all over. Standard tusser this V collar in this end joint material especially back side cotton lining length 47 tone to tone white bottom pair best tusser feel second the black embroidery thread sequence design this is bot neck jet black okay. This golden yellow color. This is a pattern. This is a middle portion. This is a lines. This design. Design. This pattern is design portion sleeve plain this pattern is length 47 last size available book 7 working days dispatch WhatsApp number contact details okay, thank you.